Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Coinbase card. First, activate your new physical card directly through the Coinbase app. Next, link your preferred cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, to fund your purchases. Finally, set a secure 4-digit PIN for transactions at ATMs and payment terminals, ensuring your funds are always protected. This simple setup gets you ready to spend your crypto effortlessly. Once activated, your Coinbase card works just like any other Visa debit card, accepted at millions of locations worldwide. Simply choose which cryptocurrency you want to spend for each transaction directly within the app. Plus, you can earn fantastic crypto rewards, often between 1% and 4% back, on eligible purchases. It's a seamless way to spend your crypto and earn more. Managing your Coinbase card is incredibly easy through the dedicated app. You can monitor all your spending and track your earned crypto rewards in real time. For added security, instantly freeze or unfreeze your card if it's misplaced or stolen. You also have the flexibility to adjust your spending limits and change your preferred cryptocurrency for transactions whenever you need. One of the best features of the Coinbase card is its transparent fee structure. There are no annual fees to worry about, and you won't pay any transaction fees when spending your cryptocurrency. Instead, you'll enjoy generous crypto rewards, up to 4% back on eligible purchases, which are deposited directly into your Coinbase account. It's a rewarding way to use your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.